AI is the current hot topic, with new AI features being released for Bing and the brand new Microsoft 365 Copilot being showcased. These features are allowing you to sit back, relax, and let AI do the heavy lifting. And it's feeling very sci-fi and futuristic if you ask me. But did you know that AI is already integrated into many Microsoft tools that you've been using every day to make your life just that little bit easier?
So with that, can we please get some expert zone titles generated for this YouTube video?
Alright, what is up everyone? I'm Matt.
And I'm Hannah.
And we are both from the Expert Zone UK and I team working on behalf of Microsoft. This video is going to get broken into 3 sections. The new features of Bing, Microsoft Copilot, and then finally, AI features already featured in Microsoft products. So feel free to use these chapters listed in this video to head straight to the bit that you need to know.
Before we start listing all these epic features that are built to help make the everyday easier, we just want to cover how Microsoft are approaching AI responsibly. At Microsoft, the commitment to responsible AI is taken seriously. All features are being developed in accordance with Microsoft's AI principles, and Microsoft are working with their partner, OpenAI, to deliver an experience that encourages responsible use. For example, user experience is always designed to keep humans at the very centre, and a safety system has been developed that is designed to mitigate failures and avoid misuse with things such as content filtering, optional monitoring, and abuse detection, and other safeguards. Responsible AI is a journey, however, and Microsoft will continually improve their systems along the way. So Matt, care to enlighten us on the new features that Bing is bringing with AI?
I shall, Hannah. Back on February 7th, 2023, Microsoft announced an all-new AI-powered Bing search engine, and it was out to preview. The new Bing is like having a research assistant, personal planner, and creative partner at your side whenever you search the web. So searching the web is made so much easier by being able to ask questions just like you would ask another person, such as, I'm planning a trip with my friends in September. What beaches are within a 3-hour flight from London? Bing then searches for relevant content across the web and summarises what it finds to generate a helpful response. It also cites its sources, so you're able to see the links to the web content it references. And this saves you from trawling through web pages upon web pages and having to extract all this information for yourself. In the chat experience, you can also follow up questions such as, can you explain that simpler, or give me more options, to get a different and even more detailed answer to your search. There are also times when you need more than just an answer though. You need inspiration. The new Bing can also generate the content to help you be inspired, be creative. It can help you write an email, create a 5-day itinerary for a dream vacation to Hawaii, with links to book your travel and accommodations, maybe prep for a job interview, or create a quiz for that trivia night that you like to go to. It can even help you write a bedtime story about a giraffe who wants to fly to the moon, if that's what you really want. Maybe want to bring that story to the next level and create pictures for it too? Well, just ask. Bing now also has Image Creator, which uses AI to generate the exact picture that you need. So finally, I don't have to rely on my poorly drawn stick man to get my ideas across. Now, to do everything that I've just said, all you have to do on your Windows 11 device is on the taskbar, a little Bing icon has appeared just next to it. Click that and you can do everything I've just mentioned. Or alternatively, just head to bing.com and click on that instead of search. The search function is still there, so good news if you still want more classic experience to your internet searching. So alright, that's everything on Bing. But what about this Copilot thing then? Do I get to put on my pilot's hat, maybe have a little go on Microsoft Flight Simulator?
Not quite, Matt. I promise it does look just as fun though,
okay.
Maybe minus the pilot hat. Microsoft 365 Copilot was actually announced on March 16th, 2023 during the Future of Work with AI event. It combines the power of large language models, also known as LLMs, with your data in the Microsoft 365 apps to turn your words into the most powerful productivity tool on the planet. This is great, but what could you actually do with Microsoft 365 Copilot? Well, why not unleash your creativity to start? With Copilot in Word, you can jumpstart the creative process so you never start with a blank slate again. Copilot gives you a first draft to edit and build on, saving hours in writing time. Copilot in PowerPoint helps you create beautiful presentations with a simple prompt, adding relevant content from a document you made last week or even last year. And with Copilot in Excel, you can analyze trends and create professional looking data visualizations in seconds. Microsoft 365 Copilot will also help unlock productivity. We all want to focus on the 20% of our work that really matters, but actually 80% of our time is consumed with busy work that drags us down. Copilot is there to help you lighten that load so you can focus on the important stuff. From summarizing long email threads to quickly drafting suggested replies, Copilot in Outlook helps you clear your inbox in minutes, not hours. Copilot in Teams also takes the work out of working together. It can summarize key discussion points, including who said what and where people are aligned and where they disagree, and suggested action items all in real time during a meeting. At the core, Copilot makes you better at what you're good at and lets you quickly master what you've yet to learn. Copilot will fundamentally change how people work with AI and how AI works with people. Pretty cool, right?
100%.
For now, Microsoft are currently testing Microsoft 365 Copilot with 20 customers, including 8 in Fortune 500 enterprises, to get the feedback and improve the product. They expect to preview these experiences with customers more broadly in the coming months, but it has not yet been announced for general availability or timing for both commercial and consumer.
So today, the best way to get ready for Copilot then is to get on Microsoft 365 and check out some of those cool features that are already powered using AI, right?
There's already features using AI?
Yeah, that's right. AI has been around for ages, right? And Microsoft 365 and you could be using it already. So let me show you one of my favorite features. Now, I use this feature a lot. It's called Microsoft Editor, and it is a tool that helps you bring out the best writer in you in more than 20 languages, whether you are using a Word document, maybe composing an email message, or even posting a status on your favorite social media. And you may already be familiar with this, and there's a free version in Edge right now that lets you nail the basics of grammar and maybe spelling. However, with Microsoft 365 subscription, Editor unlocks advanced grammar, style refinements, clarity, conciseness, formality, vocabulary suggestions, and more thanks to the power of AI. So no matter who you are, what you're writing, you're always gonna sound your very best.
That's great, Matt. But now it's time for my favourite, which is Designer and PowerPoint.
Nice.
I have to create a lot of presentations as part of my job, but I like to work smarter and not harder. Designer allows me to do this by using AI to do all the hard design work for me. All I need to do is input my text and images, click the Designer button in the top right, and the AI will analyse what text and images I have inputted before suggesting layouts that match my theme. This takes all the hard design work out of creating a presentation for when I need something that is not only quick to create, but also professional looking and with a little bit of creative flair. I also love that I can then make any amendments or edits I want to the presentation to make it unique for me. So that's 2 cool features that already use the power of AI in Microsoft 365 from today. No need to wait for that futuristic sci-fi future where cars hover and my shoes can lace themselves.
But I want it now. I want that now.
No. There are, however, many more AI features within Windows and Microsoft 365 that have been secretly helping you without you even knowing it. Check out our other content to find out more.
And that's it. That's all we have time for today to talk through AI, but make sure to leave any questions that you might have on these features in the comments below. Also, if you've enjoyed this video today, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more Microsoft content in the future. Not the sci-fi future, the imminent future. So that's it. I've been Matt.
I've been Hannah.
And we'll check you on the flip side. Peace!